Welcome home, dear Homepedia friends. Welcome to Countryside Comfort, where rustic charm meets tranquil retreat. Nestled amidst undulating landscapes, this farmhouse patio retreat beckons you to unwind and immerse yourself in the timeless allure of countryside living. Today, we extend a heartfelt invitation for you to embark on an unforgettable journey with us as we delve deep into the intricacies of farmhouse patio design and the unparalleled comfort found within the embrace of countryside living. Designing our living spaces to reflect the essence of countryside comfort, a rustic farmhouse patio retreat encapsulates a longing for simplicity, connection, and a harmonious relationship with nature. At the core of this design philosophy lies a profound appreciation for the tranquility found in rural landscapes, where rolling hills, lush greenery, and open skies invite us to slow down and savor life's simple pleasures. By embracing the rustic charm of farmhouse aesthetics, we bring elements of this idyllic countryside setting into our homes, creating sanctuaries that nurture both body and soul. The allure of countryside living lies in its seamless integration with nature. In a farmhouse-inspired design, natural materials such as reclaimed wood, stone, and earthy textures serve as foundational elements, grounding us in the beauty and authenticity of the natural world. These materials not only add warmth and character to our spaces but also evoke a sense of timelessness, transcending fleeting trends and fostering a deep sense of belonging and rootedness. Central to the concept of countryside comfort is the notion of creating environments that prioritize comfort, coziness, and a sense of sanctuary. From plush sofas and oversized armchairs to soft throws and ambient lighting, every element is thoughtfully curated to envelop us in a feeling of relaxation and ease. Whether curling up with a good book by the fireplace or gathering around the dining table for a leisurely meal with loved ones, the farmhouse-inspired interior invites us to slow down, unwind, and savor life's simple joys. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the farmhouse design ethos emphasizes the importance of connection and community. Communal spaces such as the dining area and outdoor patio serve as focal points for gathering, conversation, and shared experiences. Here, hearty meals are prepared and enjoyed, laughter fills the air, and cherished memories are made. In an increasingly digital and fast-paced world, these moments of genuine connection remind us of the value of human interaction and the importance of cultivating meaningful relationships. Moreover, embracing a farmhouse-inspired design philosophy aligns with principles of sustainability and mindful living. By repurposing and upcycling materials, minimizing waste, and prioritizing locally sourced and eco-friendly products, we reduce our environmental footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. This commitment to stewardship not only enhances the beauty and authenticity of our living spaces but also reflects a deeper respect for the natural world and the interconnectedness of all living things. In essence, creating a home that embodies the spirit of countryside comfort is about more than just aesthetics. It's about crafting environments that nurture our well-being, foster connections, and inspire a deeper appreciation for the beauty and simplicity of life. It's about cultivating spaces that resonate with our souls, providing refuge from the chaos of the outside world, and inviting us to slow down and reconnect with what truly matters. Here, amidst sprawling meadows and towering trees, one finds solace from the frenetic pace of modern life. These rustic retreats serve as havens of tranquility, where the soul finds solace in the gentle whisper of the wind and the soothing symphony of rustling leaves. Embodying the essence of rustic charm, these idyllic sanctuaries offer a respite from the chaos of everyday existence, enveloping visitors in a cocoon of serenity and peace. As we delve into the enchanting design elements of the patio, you'll discover the artistry behind the use of reclaimed wood and natural materials for furniture. Every piece is purposefully selected to evoke comfort and relaxation, inviting you to sink into the embrace of rustic simplicity. We embark on a journey into the heart of farmhouse patio design, where every element is meticulously curated to evoke a sense of warmth and intimacy. From the weathered beauty of reclaimed wood furniture to the rugged elegance of natural stone accents, each detail exudes a timeless appeal that speaks to the soul. Here, amidst the rustic splendor of outdoor living, every moment is infused with a sense of wonder and delight. Join us as we unravel the beauty of outdoor fireplace installation, where crackling flames dance in the night, casting a warm glow upon gatherings of friends and family. Amidst the flickering light of antique lanterns, the air is filled with the intoxicating scent of nostalgia, transporting visitors to a bygone era of simplicity and charm. Let us delve deeper into the significance of cozy farmhouse dining within the serene confines of the patio retreat. As the gentle breeze rustles through the surrounding greenery, we are greeted by the inviting ambience of reclaimed wood tables adorned with elegant place settings. Each element carefully selected to evoke a sense of rustic elegance and comfort, from the weathered charm of antique lanterns to the intricate detailing of custom outdoor fireplace installations. Here, amidst the flickering flames and the soft glow of ambient lighting, these spaces are transformed into intimate settings for shared meals and heartfelt conversations. With every bite savored and every story shared, the essence of countryside comfort envelopes us, creating lasting memories in the company of loved ones. As evening descends, we find ourselves immersed in the tranquility of outdoor living, where the artistry of water feature landscaping and lush greenery unfolds before us. Guided by the soothing sound of trickling water and the gentle rustle of leaves, we meander through tranquil pathways adorned with natural stone accents and verdant foliage. Each step leading us deeper into a realm where serenity reigns supreme, and the stresses of the day fade into obscurity. Here, amidst the tranquil oases created by carefully curated outdoor spaces, we discover the true essence of relaxation and rejuvenation. With every breath of fresh air and every moment of quiet contemplation, we are reminded of the profound beauty that surrounds us, nourishing our souls and refreshing our spirits. Finally, we ascend to the pinnacle of luxury outdoor living, a realm where elegance and opulence converge to create an unparalleled experience of indulgence and refinement. Here, amidst the sprawling expanse of the patio retreat, every detail is meticulously crafted to cater to the most discerning tastes. From the exquisite craftsmanship of hand-carved furniture to the opulent accents of high-end outdoor decor, these patio retreats offer a glimpse into a world of sophistication and extravagance. Picture yourself reclining on plush seating arrangements, basking in the warm glow of fire pits, and savoring gourmet cuisine prepared by world-class chefs. This is luxury outdoor living at its finest, a sanctuary where every desire is fulfilled, and every moment is a celebration of life's abundance. Thank you for joining us on this journey through countryside comfort. If you found this video inspiring and insightful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Until next time, may your homes be filled with the warmth and serenity of countryside living.